In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the location of your downloads in your Google Chrome browser. So by default, when you download something using Google Chrome, it will just go straight to your downloads folder in File Explorer. So if you would like to change the location, this can easily be done. All you need to do is open up Google Chrome. You then need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and you now need to go on to Settings. You now need to select the little drop down arrow next to Advanced on the left, and you then need to select Downloads. And underneath Downloads, where it says Location, as you can see currently it's going straight to my Downloads folder on my C drive. So all you need to do is click on Change, and then you can choose where you would like your downloads to save to. So you can choose a different disk drive or a different folder, wherever you would like it to go. I've actually set up a folder on my desktop, so I'll click on here, click on Computer Sluggish Downloads and press Select Folder. And there you go. As you can see, when I now download something in Google Chrome, it will go straight to this location I've chosen. But that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help you. If it did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.